This file, this folder is way too big for email. How do I get it where it needs to go? I'll show you the best way to do this using your Mac and the iCloud account that you already have right now, so you don't need to use WeTransfer, Dropbox, Google Drive, any of that. You can just do it with the stuff that you have right now. I'll show you how to send a huge file through email. First, we'll talk about moving one big file into iCloud Drive or moving a group of big files into iCloud Drive. I'll show you both of those now. So if you just click your desktop and then go to the Go menu up here and then go to iCloud Drive, that'll open a Finder window straight into your iCloud Drive. And then go to the File menu here and say New Finder Window. So this opens a second Finder window. It just makes it easier to drag and drop stuff from one to the other. I'll go to my Pictures folder where I have the big video. This is 188 megabytes. And then you just drag and drop. You click and drag and drop it over here into iCloud, and that starts the video uploading here. That's for the one big file. If I want to send a batch of videos like this group right here, just click the first one, hold Shift, and click the last one in the batch, and then just go File, and then New Folder with Selection. So it just creates a folder. And then if I click the name here, I'll say Videos for Editor, and just hit Return on the keyboard. So now I have this one folder here with the videos in it. Now you want to compress this and turn it into a zip file, just for so it transfers more easily to the other person. And the way you do that is just hold Control on the keyboard and Control click this folder here. You can also get here with a right click on a mouse or a two-finger click on the trackpad. But then compress the folder. So compress is the thing that creates a zip file. And if it's big, I mean, this is 80 megabytes, but if it's gigabytes or, tens or hundreds of gigabytes, it'll take a long time to compress this. But once you have the zip file like this, you just drag this over into iCloud Drive here. And if you have the status bar down here turned on, it shows you the upload so that you can see when it actually finishes uploading. You can get the status bar by going to View and then Show Status Bar is what it looks like here. And that'll tell you when this file has finished uploading. You want to wait for it to finish uploading before you try to send it. So we talked about those. Show Status Bar, wait and watch for it to upload. And then you do the right click or the Control click and share. So if I go Control click and then share ... then the option you want to choose up top here is collaborate. Sometimes it will say send copy, so you can just change that to collaborate. And then this tiny little text right below that, it matters. You need to change some stuff in here. So you click on this and then who can access. I always change this to anyone with the link so that it makes it easier for them to open it. And then permissions, I change this to view only so that they get access to it, but they can't make any changes to it. And then you click right here, invite with link. When you click this, it prepares the link and it copies it to your clipboard, which means you can just go into your email and paste it, or messages, or wherever you want to paste that URL. What it looks like for them, if I open Google Chrome and just go edit, paste, so when you email them this big long URL and just hit return here, they will see this. It'll say this file is shared via iCloud, zip archive videos, and they can just click this button here to download a copy. And they don't need iCloud in order to do this. And so you can just go into your email, go new message, put their name in there, give it the subject, and click in the body here, and it's Command V, or you go edit and then paste to paste that URL, and it creates a nice little preview here, but that's just cosmetic. On their side, they'll see the URL and they can just click this to download that file. So that's really, it's all built into the Mac. You don't have to use any of those other apps, WeTransfer, Dropbox, Google Drive, etc. Boom, Mac Epiphany. I hope that helps, and now you can send huge files to anybody by email or any way that you can send them a link. You can, for housekeeping's sake, you could delete those things out of iCloud Drive or put them back where they were, but you don't have to. You can do that on the same day that you organize your downloads folder. If you found this helpful and you want some private Mac coaching with me or someone from my team, just head to macandhome.com/booking. We work with people all over the world. We'll help you with whatever is on your Mac problems list, and you will never feel judged or shamed for whatever mess you are in. It's probably fine. One of those is going to be fine. Which one, though? This is the question.